In this video, you'll learn how to build a backend without coding using Base44. By following these steps, you will create your application effortlessly, leveraging the user-friendly interface of Base44. Start by navigating to the Base44 website, open your web browser, and enter the URL for Base44. Once the site loads, you will be greeted with the message, "What will you build today?" This prompt indicates that you are in the right place to begin your project. Next, you will see an input field asking you to describe your app idea. Here you can either type in your concept or explore the available templates for inspiration. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your application. After entering your idea, look for the button labeled Ideas to Proceed. Clicking this will take you to a selection of ideas that align with your input. This feature helps streamline the process of choosing a suitable starting point for your app. Once you've accessed the ideas, select one that resonates with you. Carefully review the options presented to ensure it aligns with your vision. Choosing the right idea is essential as it will influence the overall structure of your application. Following the selection of your idea, you will need to choose a category that corresponds to the app you're building. This categorization helps Base44 to tailor the app building process to your specific needs. At this stage, Base44 will begin the process of building your app based on the selections you have made. You will see a notification indicating that your app is being created. This process may take a moment, depending on the complexity of your chosen idea. After a brief waiting period, your app will be generated. You will receive a confirmation message stating that your app has been successfully created. This confirmation means you can now explore and customize your new application. To enhance your app further, you can click on a prompt or the AI chat feature to add more features to your CRM. This interactive element allows you to incorporate additional functionalities easily. You may also see suggestions for further enhancements. If you wish to implement any of these suggestions, simply click on the option provided. This flexibility allows you to refine your app according to your specific requirements. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.